what we can make.
That one looks so cute. You can keep all your food cover, and you can reuse it, and you can use it many times. You can wash it in the laundry, and you can use it again. We have here those scraps that are so beautiful. So the first step is we will cut all the sides that had any defect. After that, I will try to put together the pieces to sewing in the machine. When you are preparing the fabric, you had in mind that the fabric had to one facing up, and the another fabric had to facing down against the first fabric. And this way we are be sure we are sewing in the right way. And for that I will looking where matching. In this case we have this one. We can put some pins, make more easy when we're sewing. So we can start sewing. We can left half inch to the edge and sewing all the piece along. Now we have the two pieces sewing together. We're going to add another set of pieces, and we're going to working in the same process to face the fabric against to the right side, so the another fabric. And now we had enough fabric to make a cover ball for our kitchen. I place the ball against to the wrong side of the fabric because I will mark it around the size of the ball. And here you can see we had a very light pink mark as a circumference in our fabric. When we finish, we take the ball and we will take the measurements how long we want our ball we cover. So in this case we're talking about 1.5 inch to cover any food or leftover we had. Mark 1.5 inch from the mark all the way around of the fabric. We can rotate as we need. After, we can cut from the outside line. We had a circle now, and I had this piece of fabric left from another project, and I will use it as a linen of the cover. For that, I will place our print in the top, and I will use the pins to keep in place, and after that I will cut around the yellow circle. And this is how it looks. One size will be with any print you want or a solid color. In this case we had a blue solid color, and the another is the print. I will going to sew in the machine, and I will leave in a gap approximately 3 inch, so we will be able to turn inside out our piece. I'm very excited. I think so this one will look so great. Let's go. After that, I will make some small cuts around the edge. In that way, our job can look more professional. And you remember, not have to be perfect, just enjoy, and it's something you appreciate so much because you make it, and plus you had the option to use it any fabric you had in your home, even any dress, blouse, any material. I will recommend it cotton. I think so it's one of the best, but you can use it any material you had at home. We have here the gap we was leaving, and we will bring the fabric out. Be patient, take your time until you take all the fabric in really nice way. You turn inside out. If you need to bring all the fabric out, you can use it any tool you had at hand. In my case, I had this one, is for crochet, but it worked really nice. And going through all the piece. Now close the gap. I pin it to sew in more easily. I had an elastic here, and I will place it around the ball, and I will stretch a little bit to see how the cover will be, and when I think it's good enough, I will cut the another part. We will fasten the cover and the linen size of the fabric, and we start to place the elastic. So I will add the elastic, and I will use it the zigzag and stretch the elastic at the time we were sewing. The elastic go in the close to the seams. We have here our cover. This looks so nice, and we have here our ball. Now we're going to place the cover in the top of the ball. And if you like this tutorial, I can see you there.